Hello YouTube, you may have noticed something different today. I'm actually drawing on a computer software instead of on my phone. That's because I want to practice with my uh, my uh, drawing tablet that I got like a year ago. Yeah, I got a year ago. So I'm actually drawing a human version of a stuffed animal I have that I had for a long while. The reason why I'm drawing her as human and as a cowgirl is because her name is Partner. Her name is literally Partner. I probably got her when I was like 5, 7, or 8 or so. I don't really remember. But I've had her for a while. Her tag is worn out. So she's definitely older than a lot of my newer plushies. And some of my older ones have been torn to shreds by the puppies that my dad got. So, let's just say I'm normally keeping an eye on Partner. So I try to incorporate a lot of, bear into our design. Of course, this comes up later when I draw the little butt, when I draw the bear pin, the star, the sheriff star, and I even give her a low choker with the bear on it. I also give her 2 lower buns to represent ears, bear ears, because of course. And let me tell you a funny story. When I remember a lot of good memories I had with Partner, so I wanted to make her into, like a person I could imagine, giving me a hug and all, because I am one of those types of people who is touch starved, good old touch starvation. A good portion of people feel it. Also, I went ahead and made her hair all messy, hence it hasn't been kept in a while. And that's where I had the buns when I did her hair. That's the only neat part is the buns. Buns. I never go on to continue, so they're just little gold pins by the top of her shirt. No clue why though. You can decide whether are they just for fashion, or are they to hold her top together because she lost the buttons? You decide. I really do want to do a series of drawings where I just draw my stuffed animals that I have. I have a buttload of them in a box. So I'm just like, what if? What if I do this? And I'm just like, maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. Who knows? And the reason I also tried something else new, and that new thing is I started coloring with, different colors instead of just straight up the color black. I went with brown because, well, it's one of the more neutral colors. It it can go with anything. Really, if you want to go with blue, you'd have to go with a cool color scheme, You go with red, you have to go with a warmer color scheme. If you go with bright neon yellow, why did you go with bright neon yellow? The bright neon yellow will be, I honestly think, more bothersome due to it being bright neon yellow. But you do you, boo. Do I care? No. So, um, Partner is one of my older plushies. I don't remember exactly when I got her, but I remember I took her almost everywhere, and that's mainly about it. I cried I cried while hugging her many times when I was younger, because, you know, when you're sad and you want someone to hug, but none of your siblings want to hug because two angsty teenagers and one little brother that you're not so friendly with. Yeah, I'd prefer the stuffed bear. Which, you could say that's sad, but I highly disagree. Bella is a bit sad, but that's about it. Anyways, sorry. My voice is being weird at the moment. I'm sorry. Anyways, partner's got some legs. I just noticed that. Partner got them legs. I will be posting this drawing on my Discord server. Not on the dedicated. I will be posting it in the dedicated art channel, which anyone can post in once they're at level 5. The reason why they're at level 5 is inspired from other servers I'm in. Yeah, you're wondering, why level 5? Why me 6 level 5? I'm just like, why not, hun? Hun. I call everyone hun, by the way. No clue why I do, I just call everyone hun. Possibly because I have no life, and hun's just something I've learned to say when talking to someone I don't really know. Or someone I do know who's just done something really stupid. Because it's short for honey. All that fun jazz. Jazz. Anyways, so. Oh, hey, there. Never mind. So, anyways. Partner is definitely one of those comfort objects I kept from when I was little. And she was a Build-A-Bear workshop bear. So basically, one of those, I was unoriginal and compared to my siblings. Wait, what did my sibling? I don't know, but when my brother got his first Build-A-Bear, he got a Sonic, and he didn't get a Build-A-Bear when I got Partner. So he's a bit older from when I got Partner, and when my brother got his Sonic plushie, I also got an Eevee plush, who I will also be possibly drawing as a human. So yay! Sadly though, I do not have access to my other plushies at the moment, because, yeah. You may be wondering why. The thing is, that's a personal question right there. Sorry, Bucko. Also say Bucko. As I'm looking at Partner, as I'm recording the audio, sadly, the tag is worn out, and I did use pen to write my name on the tag, and it's faded. I had decent penmanship, so this was probably like a year or two ago I did so. I also, before I lost her for the first time, I put a breaking rubber band around her neck as like a necklace. You can't see her eyes. You can't actually see Partner's eyes because they're hidden behind all the fluff and they're so close together. She has a big honker. I wish I translated her honker on the character design. I wish I did that. Ah! Here I am just fixing up all the little coloring mistakes. Here's me drawing the flannel, because flannel is hard to draw. I wish there was a pattern for it on in the brushes. All that fun jazz, you know? And also, depending on when this video comes out, I may or may not be in the middle of finals week. I have another video pre-recorded, and you may be wondering, why did we go a whole month without content? And I just gotta say, I wasn't motivated during November. Wait, oh yeah, I did post in November. I just haven't posted yet in December. My bad. I just forgot when I posted. I should really write more scripts. Which I do plan on doing, by the way. So, yay. But sadly, it'll be only for certain videos. So it's basically an attempt to make my channel more professional, and I am going to get a mic eventually, so the audio isn't as trash as it can be in some of my videos. So I guess that's a good thing too. And I also have a Sims 4 series coming up, so look forward for that. And I do plan on doing a Christmas special like I did last year, except it'll include both me drawing and me playing a video game. Sadly not The Sims 4. But what I will be doing is playing Don't Starve Together. And this time, the people in my Discord server will be notified when I go to record the Don't Starve bit, so they can come and join. Now doesn't that sound fun? And the Discord server is down in the link below. And while you're looking down below the video, why not like, comment, and subscribe? You can always unsubscribe if you get tired of seeing my voice, and you can comment suggestions or critiques you have about my art. And like, just so to be nice, so I know you liked it. You can also dislike it, I don't know. So, yeah, I have a lot of things I want to do, and probably not that much time to do them. And by the time of recording this, it's literally the verge of finals week, so these are all pre-recorded, pre-edited, all that fun jazz, so I can get work start, so you can have some content before the Christmas special. Anyways, happy holidays, and have a great day. Peace out.